What's up, everyone? Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something really special to share with you. We're unboxing the legendary Jordan 5 Retro Grape 2025 edition. This colorway is one of the most iconic in sneaker history, and trust me, sneakerheads and collectors have been waiting a long time for this release. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. The first thing you'll notice when you crack open this box is that clean, crisp white leather upper. It instantly takes you back to 1990 when these first dropped. And of course, that iconic grape ice and new emerald combo on the tongue and midsole just pops. This is the colorway that made history beyond the court, a shoe that became a cultural phenomenon. Now, one of the coolest details is the OG Nike Air branding on the heel, which we haven't seen in decades on this model. It's a direct callback to the original release, making this pair feel like a true piece of sneaker history. Add in the icy translucent soles, and these sneakers look just as fresh today as they did when Will Smith rocked them lace-free in The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. What makes the Jordan 5 Retro Grape so special is that it doesn't just look good, it feels amazing on foot. The padded tongue, soft leather, and cushioned sole give you that premium comfort that Jordan brand is known for. Whether you're wearing them casually, styling them for a fit, or even playing ball in them, these sneakers deliver in every way. Another big benefit is the craftsmanship on this 2025 release. Jordan brand went back to the original 1990 blueprint, fine-tuning the silhouette and making sure the fighter jet, inspired design by Tinker Hatfield, is sharper than ever. It's not just a retro, it's a refined version that honors the legacy. For collectors, these are a must-have because they balance nostalgia with updated quality. And for new sneaker enthusiasts, this is one of the best pairs you can add to your rotation. It's timeless, it's versatile, and if you're a sneakerhead or just someone who loves keeping their style fresh, oursnowshoes.com is definitely a site worth checking out. This online destination has built a solid reputation for offering a wide range of high-quality sneakers and fashion items that cater to every taste, from the latest hype releases to timeless classics. One thing that really sets them apart is their commitment to authenticity. So when you shop with oursnowshoes.com, you know you're getting the real deal. On top of that, their prices are surprisingly affordable compared to a lot of other sneaker retailers, making it possible to grab those must-have pairs without breaking the bank. The website is also super easy to navigate, with secure payment methods that give you peace of mind every time you order. Plus, they prioritize fast shipping, so you won't be stuck waiting forever to rock your new kicks.